Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council launches eviction drive at Rongpangtir. Affected families appeal for help. Karbi Student Association expresses moral support to APHLC spokesperson Angtong Intikathar. Delhi-based NGO extends humanitarian aid to the flood victims at Arnam Teplong. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong, English Prime Time with Margaret Tarangpi. Now the news in details. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had launched an eviction drive at Rongpangtir, located 4 km away from Difu town, falling under the jurisdiction of Baliram Terang Village, SGB, on Saturday around 7:30 early in the morning. Here is a report. The village of Rongpangtir was established 10 years ago on a government land allotted to the Sericulture Department under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council by a group of people coming from different places across the district. At present, the village is a home to more than 37 families. Since the village is a decade old, the villagers had adapted to a regular lifestyle. Sources say that the eviction notice had been sent and notified from the concerned department to all the villagers on 21st June 2022, and the villagers were ordered to vacate the place. Hence, the eviction drive was carried out today morning in presence of district administration, law and order, and the authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. But the villagers of Rongpangtir claimed that there were no any notice given them regarding the eviction drive. They were notified just a day before the eviction. They also said that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is worthless as people are evicted despite having our own autonomous council. They also said if the government wanted to evict the enroachers from the government land, they should also have evicted those enroachers residing at Keronis Village Grazing Reserve and Professional Grazing Reserve.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Karbi tumdi cari lo poti ladak komane kengsang kona so tum lege to kali ladak komane tu make kece so tum lege to kali ni tu pandang ne thale jipu de Karbi dungke Karbi Anglong lo e ma pilo kapeng tama thale lo ni tum ke taksi mang te tengo taksi ya tita tipo ni tum kona lo tamla komane pak kapeng no na kapeng no travel la kai tum kapeng de lo ni to tang ni tum Karbi tum kona lo to la tang ne no ni tum manang chin so chema pini pena ladak otomar tum exam ta do non ko na la tampo ni tum non ko chola tempo.
Longsodar Ingtis report from Dipu, Karbi Anglong Live. On Friday morning, one of the youngest, energetic and dynamic social activists of Karbi Anglong, Angtong Intikathar, was arrested by the police. The Karbi Students Association is deplored over his arrest and therefore expressed their moral support to him. Samson Teron, president of Karbi Students Association, while briefing to the media at Kolonga, West Karbi Anglong on Saturday, expressed his displeasure over the unforeseen arrest of Angtong Intikathar, spokesperson of APHLC. Here is the visual.
Si Jasimet Pet ni tum Karbi lo Charlie songa hin pen da klaso alang li phan kin nep ponalong ithi thini ni tum pen lu and order phan Karbi kang tulam pe Angtong Intikathar phan ke dam tang penanga case ki pido ke file do hala bang so case amukha ke da ke do ana bang 2021 malom ki pia case side da so case ki pi side setame hala dak lang dam alang itum ki pura ma teng pen ki jong dam ma teng pen dam lo putang te hala bang ke cognizable offense le puno ba non bailable offense le puno laso offense lo pulutang te actual bang ke 90 days ang bong dili law expert kali seta with my limited knowledge of law in penili pukang tu bang ke lailo 90 days ang bong ke alang lifan charge sheet file nangji seta me 21 aning kana case apor bang panajir kiding pen nep ni de amar atungi men nep che bang ke mahumi mel ham lake itungi puya bang ke it is against law.
Samson Taro, through the media, also questioned the law and order on how and which provision of the law and order was Angtong Ingti Kathar was arrested of all a sudden.
The absconding pukipu kosona angle pen sialang ifan absconding po charge sheet file fepi namunit phale kasong si absconding polang ifan ki pu po charge sheet ave pin lang aphan sialang tu absconding pu ki puji ajukti bang ne tung thek long le de lasi alang li fan jong si absconding polotang te alang li fan kodalong pen jong si charge sheet ki file bom ho jong si alang li bang abang ave det na ne chongbir joi na ne ka joi malang li fan ne polong le der ma si charge sheet bang ke kodalong file de lo polotang te laso court file de phi pen bang ke lang li fan bang ke arrest warrant nang levek ni polo hemalong arrest warrant nang li ni setame nili alang li tu parents tum pen non met alang li sabura hai mesam ni chingki long lo alang li fan thangna warrant nang ke li la pusona phi pultang te this is totally illegal pen la bang ke it's against the law.
The leaders of Karbi Students Association also clarified that they do not associate with any political party, but irrespective of Angtong Ingti's background, they are extending their moral support to a true nationalist. They also expressed their sorrow for putting the true leader behind bars.
Nili ki pukang tungela hello nili ko mane of favor leke dun kang tungali mane fan ki pukang tungali inut kache song anok be alang liang tong Ingti Kathar setame hoy alang inut political along kachira abdundu seta la solong ko setame alang likhe pan kachira kaching hon ta duko ko posi nili tum kar bilo charlia song tum ta khe kaching hon anok be tum penak posi alang li fan nili tum hin pen abes vises ke la hello nangli nohok le dostame nangli ning chibi nangne ladak karbiang long rada tum akemang karbiang long rada tum aning kachithe laso karbia khe fan pereng verji puso kache song labang ke nangli pen setame nali ning binang ne nile tum stame kaduk kawe karbiang long rat ke doana tum same khei kaching hon longri long parching hon anke ar jap khipsi dolang lasi nali nohok le dusi tame ning chipa binang le pusi karbi lo charlia song hin pe tum nali phan waidak pe nang pachini tum.
Wiki based report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. Youth Empowerment Foundation on Saturday had extended humanitarian aid to the victims of flood at Arnhem Teplong region under Amreng constituency. A non-government organization known as Youth Empowerment Foundation on Saturday had extended humanitarian aid to the victims of flood at Arnhem Teplong region under Amreng constituency. The task was carried out by Kangtir Ingti with his team. The team, while on their way for the distribution of relief materials, had to face lot of difficulties. Even the roads were filled with mud water, which made more difficult to pass through. Despite all those difficulties, the dedication and determination of the team to serve the people had finally driven them to their destined location. The people affected from the flood had expressed their grievances with us. Here is a report.
Lang kang lum hud nil tum dag lang kang lum long mangke pene gi ason edondona hande jon thom jon pli lason kan hok dolo chainong kang bu lason dolo so ko mane hem ke mon thong ke mon pli ke lason asok angkru ban masing lum chok chok dolo lasi kichu thai ga besi thutang asok tustame arnga chutisi kachutoksi sayog ye chunang kok ning tumanga kisung bang ke thidung
la Arnhem Teplong hawar long kaduk ko don kan bag do jilang kang lum pen kisung ke flora to
dagil tumar nam Teplong hawar long kaduk ko pen lang kisung pen lang kang lumen kisung ke puarat an bang ke don pharu pira don frike thong bang ke ning tumaki kisung bang ke
Kangtir Ingti, while speaking to us, informed that they are from the Youth Empowerment Foundation, a Delhi-based NGO who seeks to provide basic essential commodities to the flood-affected region. This is their maiden initiative as an NGO at East Karbi Anglong, and so far, 25 families had benefited from it. He also informed that in coming days, they would extend their service towards other constituencies and to all the flood-affected areas.
Nilitum laso haladak pendan nilitum order bangke nitum mane per day nilitum han 25 ahem pan sinitum nangapa cover up toy. Tas nilitum laso teng man sinitum pena pusita ba 1 week apisa nil tum report pipen hala so teng benalang tum fan nang le lo plote nil tum aro lasona keram nil tum wang thuji
nili tum head tum handa report pipen lason son kithe do lang kithe ke effect do ulo la sia sabso kerap pinang polason request pilo aman si otonte pinang ojal he asi inkela so NGO bangke la dakar bianglong dagali assam ben dagali through Delhi pen.
Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.